Now I'll be doing a banana graft on this apple tree. I'm not grafting a banana onto it, but the method I am using is called banana graft because in this method you peel the skin like you peel it off banana. Give 2 cuts at the top, making sure that it is like a cross and all 4 sides are equal. That way you can peel off the skin equally from all sides. Give a cut straight going downward. The cut should reach the wood so that when you are peeling the skin, it comes off easily. Now all you need to do is put a rubber band around it. And push it down below the cuts. Now if you start peeling the skin off, it should come off in 4 equal parts. Like that. Now press the bark outward and cut this wood, take it out. Now press this rubber band upward so that it holds all 4 flaps together. That will keep it moist. Now choose cyan wood. Make sure your cyan is slightly bigger than the branch where you are grafting it. And a cut at the top. Remove the extra leaves off. Now you need to make 4 cuts equal to the length of the wood which you have cut out. That's 1 cut. Make sure you leave a little bit bark in between each cut. Now, as you can see, I have made a cut. Then I have left a small narrow strip of bark, then another cut, And after that cut, there's another narrow strip of bark, and then another cut. And now push it right to the bottom, and as you push the bark in its wherever you have made the cuts. This bark will cover the cuts nicely. Push the ring upward so that it holds the bark in its place until you put the bandage around it. Start the bandage below the cut. Make sure when you are putting the bandage around, the bark stays at the cuts, covering the cut. To the top. Then downward. Make sure you keep tightening it a little bit with every rotation. Cut the extra tape off. You can seal the top so that the top doesn't dry. If you do it in the month of May, June, using the same method, then it is better to cover the cyan with the parafilm tape so that it doesn't dry. That will complete the banana graft.